Hello KSET 2025 aspirants, here is an important update for all of you regarding the document verification process. Let's see the details. So first of all, you can go to the KEA official website, go to the admission sections, click on UGCT 2025. Then you can see the first link here, date extended for offline document verification. So this update has come today itself. So just once you click on this link, you will be directed to this notice page. Now here you can see that the document verification is being conducted from 5th of May to 15th of May. Okay, the process was already going on for students belonging to clause B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I up to O and then Z. And other eligibility clauses through offline at KEA 18th Cross Malleshwaram, Bangalore. We also made a video on this before. So 5th to 15th May, there was offline document verification for the students belonging to clauses from B to Z. Now what happened? But the candidates who could not appear for verification of documents on the said dates due to unavoidable circumstances. There were certain students who were not able to report to the center for the document verification. So can appear for verification of original documents from 16 to 20. So the date has been extended. Another chance has been given from 16th to 20th of May at KEA 18th Cross Malleshwaram, the same center, with all necessary original documents by booking the slot in the link enabled in the KEA website. So you have to book your slot and then you have to go at the from 16 to 20 on whichever date you have booked to this particular center, that is KEA 18th Cross Malleshwaram, Bangalore. Okay. Next, candidates who have appeared for verification but did not complete the verification due to non-submission of relevant certificates can also appear for verification with all the necessary certificates on the extended dates. And those students who have already appeared but they could not complete the verification process due to the absence of documents, they can also reappear. Okay. Clause-wise documents to be submitted for verification can be seen in the information bulletin hosted on the KEA website. So different clause students will have different list of documents. You can see the list. We have already made a video and it is already available in the information bulletin. You can check the list of the documents and then take it. Okay, next, submission of special category certificates, that date is also extended. So candidates who have claimed special categories such as defense, CAPF, CRPF, CISF, BSF, so all the defense categories are included here. Then Anglo-Indian or NCC in the CT 2025 application and did not submit the respective special category certificates on the notified dates can also submit the same in person to KEA. So that is also there. The same date from 16 to 20th of May. Okay, next 12 marks standard marks entry. So detailed note is published in the KEA website with regard to the entry of 12 standard marks in the link. Candidate are advised to act accordingly by checking the website. So this I have already made a video yesterday, so you can update your marks. So there are three important updates here. First one, those whose documents have not yet verified or those who have gone for document verification but could not complete the verification process. For all those students, the verification process date has been extended from 16 to 20th May. You can go and do that. Special category students can also submit their certificates, and class 12 students whose results are out and belong to the schools not from Karnataka, outside Karnataka schools, they need to upload their marks. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe the channel and please complete the document verification within the dates given. Thank you.